So over the last couple of years, we have all seen the rapid adoption of generative AI. Most organizations started with chatbots, copilots, or content generation use cases. But now we are clearly entering the next phase where AI is not just assisting but actually executing work. This is where agentic AI architecture becomes extremely important. What you see on this slide is a reference architecture that helps enterprise move from isolated Gen AI experiments to scalable, orchestrated, production-ready AI platforms. Let me walk you through this layer by layer. So let's start from the left, the input layer. In real enterprise environment, AI systems don't operate in isolation. They constantly receive signals from multiple sources. This could be documents, live operational data streams, historical interaction logs, or even direct user queries. This layer is important because it provides the raw context that triggers AI workflows. Without meaningful inputs, even the most advanced AI agents cannot take intelligent decisions. Now let's move on to the next layer, that is agent orchestration layer. You can think of this as the control tower of the entire AI ecosystem. This layer is responsible for deciding which agent should handle a task, how multiple agents should collaborate, how execution should be monitored, and how user intent should be interpreted. In complex enterprise scenarios, this orchestration capability is absolutely critical. Otherwise, AI workflows quickly become fragmented and difficult to scale. Just below that, we have the context engineering layer. One of the biggest challenges with AI systems today is reliability. Models can hallucinate or respond without sufficient grounding. This layer addresses that by managing knowledge retrieval, prompt construction, short term memory, and context window optimization. In simple terms, this is what ensures that agents are thinking with the right information at the right time. Now we come to the most exciting part, the agent layer. Here, intelligence is distributed across specialized agents. Some agents focus on planning, some on reasoning, some on reflection, some on interacting with tools or enterprise systems. In addition, we can also have self learning mechanisms and human in the loop coordination. Together, these agents behave like a collaborative digital workforce capable of executing multi step workflow autonomously. However, for agents to generate real business impact, they must interact with enterprise systems. That is the role of integration layer. This layer enables connectivity through APIs, event-driven architectures, model context protocols, and modern service communication standards. Without this layer, AI remains conversational. With this layer, AI becomes operational. Now, something that is often underestimated, that is the semantic layer. Enterprises are not just about data, they are about meaning and relationships. This layer introduces knowledge graphs, ontologies, metadata structures, and business taxonomies. This helps agents understand how different business concepts connect, which significantly improves decision quality in complex domains. At the base of the stack, we have the data layer. This includes enterprise repositories, vector databases, graph databases, and external data sources. All higher layers consume and enrich insights from this foundation. You can think of this as the knowledge backbone of the entire AI platform. Once agents complete their execution, outcomes need to be delivered. The output layer focuses on response customization, knowledge updates, and augmentation of enterprise insights. The service layer ensures these outputs reach users or systems through APIs, multi-channel platforms, or enterprise middleware. This is where AI transitions from intelligence to business value. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we have a horizontal governance layer spanning across the entire architecture. This includes guardrails, responsible AI frameworks, compliance controls, validation pipelines, and operational capabilities like monitoring and disaster recovery. In large organizations, this layer is essential to ensure that AI remains secure, auditable, and trustworthy. So overall, what this architecture highlights is a very important shift. Enterprise AI is no longer about selecting the best model, it is about designing a well orchestrated ecosystem that combines context, intelligence, integration, and governance. Organizations that build this kind of structured foundation will be able to move confidently from pilot initiatives to autonomous enterprise scale AI execution.